Hi there, my name's Amanda. I'm going to be showing you today how to make a hand cast. So we're going to be doing that by using some alginate. So the first thing you need is a vessel that's large enough to put your hand in. So the shape that we're trying to create is a cup shape with our hand held like that. We need our fingers tight together and we're creating like a little cup shape like that. So the reason we put our fingers together is if we've got any separations in our fingers like that, it's going to cause difficulty in actually creating the cast, and it's a breaking point for those fingers. So we're just trying to create a cup like that. So take a vessel that's large enough to put that in, and what we're trying to do is put our hand into the cup like so. Okay. So today we're going to be using some alginate mixture to create the mould. This one is 300 grams of powder to 900 millilitres of water. So we obviously need some scales to be able to do that. So to fit my hand in here, this is going to take 2 litres, and there is we need 300 grams of powder per 900 litres. So if I can take that up to 1.8 litres, that should do my hand. So we're going to need 600 grams of the powder. So I'm just going to be using some standard kitchen scales today, and we're just going to weigh out the powder. Just got a basic mixing bowl here. I'm just going to switch this on and just zero that. So just get a 0 rating, and then we're just going to measure 600 grams into this bowl. Okay, so that's my 600 grams in the bowl there, and what we need to do is we need to add the powder to the water, not the other way around. Okay, so I've now got my water. As I said before, you need to be putting the powder into the water. So I'm going to take another mixing bowl. I'm just going to pour all that water into the mixing bowl, and then I'm going to take my powder gradually. I'm going to mix it in with the water. I'm actually going to be doing this with my hand because I don't mind being a bit messy, and also it allows you to just squish all those bits together and get it all nice and mixed up. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Just pop all that in. Try not to breathe it in if you can. One thing you can see that I'm doing there is I'm actually kind of squishing it with my hands just to try and get it all mixed together really well. The water is at about room temperature, so it's not too cold, but it's also not warm, because if you use warm water then the alginate will set very quickly. It gets to a bit of a porridgey consistency, but that's absolutely fine. It still will cast like that. Okay, so I can feel that starting to cand. Just pour all of that into the container. Okay, this is going to spill over, so I'm going to pop it back into the jug, back into the bowl, and then all we need to do is pop our hand straight into there. I'm just going to rinse this off my hand first. So obviously during that time, so that my hand's in there now and that's setting. So again, once your hands hit the bottom, just lift it up a little tiny bit, so there's about 1 centimetre between the bottom of your hand and the jug, just so there's a little bit of rubber going underneath there. But that's setting now. It takes about 5 minutes to set. So okay, so this is set now, so I'm just going to pull my hand out. As you can see, my hand is completely set inside there. So you do need to keep your hand still completely while it's in there. And then once you can tell that it's set, if you just try and gradually release your hand, just give your fingers a little tiny bit of a kind of wiggle in there, and then just very, very gently, as gentle as you can, you're just going to try and release your hand. That is splitting a bit, but don't worry about that because we can sort that. That's not, just be as gentle as you can. So you can see in there now that we have the hand cast and that's all solid.